Okay, geometry students, here's a video for example 2 for section 6.5, finding the lengths and angle measures in a rhombus. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. What's the measure of angle ADE? ADE is this one down here. Well, we know this one's 55, we know this one's 55, and we know this one's 90, because that's true about a rhombus. So since you know this is 90 and 55, you can just take that and subtract it from 180. 90 and the 53 plus ADE is 180, so they subtracted from 180 and got 37. That angle's 37. This one's 37, this is 37, that's 37, that's 37. Remember, there's a lot of them that are the same in a rhombus. You just got to be able to picture which one it is. Okay, now they're given lengths of segments. Well, the diagonals bisect each other, so I think we're going to use that. What's the length of GH? So GH is out here. GH is the same as 3x plus 1. But that's the only outside edge that they give you. They don't tell you any other. They tell you this piece in here is 4x minus 7. They tell you this one is 2x plus 3. These two are the same. So we're going to set up an algebra problem and solve this equation for x. They set it equal to each other. They solved for x. They got x is 5. Now that we know x is 5, we can plug 5 in here. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. We know that's 16, and that's marked the same as this side, so the final answer is 16. 3 times 5 plus 1, 16. That means this one's also 16. What else they got? Okay, now it's time for you to try some problems. The quadrilateral is a rhombus, so all those things we've been talking about are true. What is the measure of angle? MNO. MNO. They want this big one up here. And all they tell you is this one right here, 62. Give it a shot, come on back. Since this one's 62, I know this one's also 62, right? Because they bisect each other, or the diagonal bisects it. So if they're both 62, 62 plus 62 is 124. So I know this whole thing is 124. Well, it's a parallelogram, so if this is 124, this whole thing here is going to be 180 minus 124. See if I can fit this in here. Which comes out to 56. So I know this big angle here, MNO, is 56. So I could cut it in half, except, hold on. They wanted us to find out what MNO was, and I just did. 56. What else do they want us to do? Here's the next one they want us to try out. A quadrilateral is a rhombus. What is QT? QT is this piece right here. Well, they tell us the whole thing is 5y minus 4. They don't tell us anything else other than these sides here. Let me change colors. They tell us this is 3y minus 1. They tell us this is 2y plus 3. It's a rhombus. Those two are supposed to be the same length. Oh, I forgot to tell you to try it on your own. Oh well. Equals 2y plus 3. You can, yeah, those two are supposed to be equal to each other. So you set the variable expressions to equal to each other and solve. Subtract 2y from both sides. And I get y minus 1 equals 3. Add 1 to both sides and get that y equals 4. And now that you know y is 4, you can plug that in to this. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 4 is 16. So I think QS is 16. Oh, they wanted us to find QT. Good thing I put it in a different color. So since the whole length is 16, I cut that in half. 8. QT is 8. QT is 8. Yep. All right, let's see what problems they want you to try. 18 through 23, 36, 32, and 33. That's it for this video. Have a great day.